Number 5. Craftsman CMC-HTS 820D1. Part of the V20 cordless system. Part of the VersaTrack wall organization system. 22 inches laser cut blades, dual action. Power saw innovation, cut up to 1/2 inches thick branches. Up to 3/4 inches cut capacity, large blade gap to quickly cut branches. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Works WG261. Comfortable to use, and long enough to make short work of your hedge trimming duties. Enough length for flat tops and long, even sides. The 22 cutting blade is longer than the average trimmer. The D-grip front handle lets you easily hold it up high, or from any angle. 20 volts max lithium power share battery. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Greenworks GHT80321. Up to 60 minutes of runtime with fully charged 2Ah battery. Equivalent to 25cc gas engine. Digital controlled brushless motor for more torque, longer runtime, quiet operation. Innovative 180 rotating rear handle provides easy trimming at multiple angles. 24 inches blade length, 3/4 inches cut capacity and 3600 SPM deliver reliable trimming and sculpting performance. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Black & Decker LHT2436. Power drive transmission cuts up to twice the branches without stalling. 24-inch dual-action blades cut branches fast with less vibration. 40-volt lithium-ion battery provides longer runtime and longer battery life year after year. Up to 6,000 square feet of trimmed hedges per charge. Fast charger recharges 40-volt battery in about 1 hour. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Ego Power Plus HT2400. 24 inches dual action, hardened steel reciprocating blades. 3/4 inch cut capacity. Compatible with all Ego Power Plus arc lithium batteries. Weather-resistant construction. Electronic brake stops blade action quickly for improved control. Please check the description for details and best price.